Hidden deep within Costa Rica's Osa Peninsula, we find Sinfonía Verde, a house that blends seamlessly with the rainforest and offers a secluded retreat, fully immersed in the sounds, colors, and rhythms of nature. The design of Sinfonía Verde is inspired by the complex layers of the tropical rainforest. The house appears as a disc elevated on stilts, with a central oculus that lets light in and creates a sense of connection to the surroundings while providing a protected, secure core. Built in a clearing formed by a fallen tree, the house allows sunlight to penetrate the dense forest canopy for the first time, creating a unique opportunity for two researchers, a climate scientist and a marine biologist, to live off-grid, surrounded by untouched wilderness. The interior spaces include 2 bedrooms, a living room integrated with the kitchen, and a library laboratory, interspersed with shaded terraces perfect for observing the surrounding flora and fauna. The central courtyard offers a tranquil space within the wild ecosystem, while the hyperbolic roof protects the house from intense rain and sun, directing water into natural streams without altering the forest's microecology. Although the house is on a single level, the terrain around it slopes steeply. One side aligns with the forest floor, while the other rises high above the ground. The opposite side, elevated about 7 to 8 meters, provides a direct view of the treetops, where monkeys, macaws, and leaves move with the wind. Every detail was carefully designed to maximize interaction with nature, bringing residents closer to the roots, mosses, and subtle movements of wildlife. The contemporary architecture of Sinfonía Verde follows the steep terrain. One edge of the house connects to the forest floor, revealing roots, mosses, and small animals. The other side rises 7 to 8 meters, offering a direct view into the tree canopies teeming with life. Walking along the 360-degree platform constantly reveals new perspectives, from the skyline to the secondary forest, from the ground to the primary canopy, creating a full immersion in the sounds and biodiversity of Costa Rica that cannot be captured without visiting in person. Completely self-sufficient, the house generates its own power through solar panels and a hydro turbine in a nearby stream, which also provides drinking water. Energy-efficient lighting and responsibly sourced materials, such as teak and cork, further reinforce the home's environmental commitment. Slatted screens allow fresh air to flow through, promoting passive ventilation, while the wooden floors and ceilings harmonize with the forest trunks and soil. Building Sinfonía Verde required careful planning due to the steep terrain, lack of electricity or water connections, seismic activity, and local wildlife. All materials were transported across rivers and mountains and carried by hand to the site. Prefabricated steel components were delivered during the dry season and assembled on site, while the roof was formed from a woven grid of pitched beams, covered with fiber cement boards, and a durable membrane to withstand the rainforest's harsh conditions. The residents actively contribute to preserving the area by monitoring wildlife, propagating native plant species, and participating in coral reef restoration initiatives. Walking through this home is experiencing the symphony of nature in every detail: the sound of leaves, the calls of monkeys, the flow of fresh air. It is an experience that awakens all the senses, showing that it is possible to inhabit the forest respectfully, sustainably, and fully immersed. Sinfonia Verde is not just a home. It is an example of how contemporary architecture can harmonize with nature, creating a space where the forest takes center stage and life moves in perfect rhythm with its surroundings.